வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சியில் குரூப் 1ல் ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா 2017 தட் இஸ் 2017 குரூப் 1ல் கேட்கப்பட்ட ஹிஸ்ட்ரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ், வரலாற்று கேள்விகள். சரி, நம்ம நேரே கொஸ்டின்ஸ் போயிடலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், லிஸ்ட் அவுட் தி ஃபாலோயிங் பாமினி ரூலர்ஸ் இன் chronological order and mark the correct choice. A. Alauddin Bahmani. 2. Muhammad Shah. 3. Ahmad Shah. 4. Feroz Shah. The choices are 1342, 1432, 4132, 4123. The correct choice is B. 1432. That is Alauddin Bahmani, Feroz Shah, Ahmad Shah, then Muhammad Shah 3. The second question, the 22nd Tirthankar of Jainism was A. Rishabha, B. Bhadrabahu, C. Parsava, D. Neminada. The correct answer is D. Neminada. Third question, consider the following two statements regarding assertion and reason and select your correct answer using the quotes given below. Assertion: the temple was built merely a place of worship. It filled a large place in cultural and economic life of Tamil people. Reasoning: its construction and maintenance offered employment to number of architects and craftsmen. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation to A. B. Both A and R are correct. R is not the correct explanation to A. C. A is true, R is false. D. A is false, R is true. So correct answer is C. Both A and R are correct, and R is not a correct explanation to A. Fourth question, who constructed a canal of 150 miles from Yamuna to Hisar for agriculture purpose? A. Qutbuddin Aibak. B. Feroz Shah Tughlaq. C. Khazir Khan. D. Sikandar Lodi. The correct answer is Feroz Shah Tughlaq, B. The fifth question, the villages Rakshas and Tagdi related to which battle? A. Battle of Talikota. B. Battle of Takolam. C. Battle of Panipat 1761. D. Battle of Adayar. The correct answer is A. Battle of Talikota. Sixth question, Kudai Khidmatkar movement was organized by A. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. B. Syed Ahmad Khan. C. Liaquat Ali Khan. D. Muhammad Iqbal. The correct answer is A. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Seventh question, match list 1 with list 2. List 1, Madan Mohan Malviya, Azad Hind Fauj. A.O. Hume, Home Rule Movement. Annie Besant, Banaras Indian University. Subhash Chandra Bose, Indian National Congress. The choices are given, but director will go to answer. The correct choice is B. 3421. That is Madan Mohan Malviya, that's Banaras Indian University. A.O. Hume, Indian National Congress. Annie Besant, that's Home Rule Movement. Subhash Chandra Bose, Azad Hind Fauj. Eighth question, which is not correctly matched? Rahmat Ali, Pakistan. Vinoba Bhave, second individual satyagrahi. C. Linlithgow, August Offer. D. Rajaji Kulakalvi Thittam. The correct choice is B. Vinoba Bhave, second individual satyagrahi. Ninth question, Ramsay MacDonald, the British Prime Minister, announced the Communal Award on A. 16th August 1932, B. 20th September 1932, C. 17th November 1932, D. 16th August 1946. The correct choice is A. 16th August 1932. 10th question, choose the incorrect pair from the following. A. Sarvajanik Sabha, M.J. Ranade. B. Indian National Congress, A.O. Hume. C. London Indian Association, Dadabhai Nauroji. D. Madras Native Association, Surendranath Banerjee. The correct answer is D. Madras Native Association, Surendranath Banerjee. 11th question, who was the first woman president of our Indian National Congress? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Annie Besant. C. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. D. Indira Gandhi. The correct answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. 12th question, match the following and choose the correct answer from the quotes given. A. Dandi March 1931. B. Karachi Congress 1932. Third Round Table Conference 1930. Lahore Congress 1929. See the choices. Correct choice directly we can go the C. That is 3, 1, 2-4. That is Dandi March 1930, Karachi Congress 1931, Third Roundtable Conference 1932, Lahore Congress 1929. 13th question. Arrange the following items according to the chronological order. 1. Simon Commission. 2. Gandhi-Irwin Pact. 3. Third Roundtable Conference. 4. Dandi March. The correct answer is C, that's 1, 4, 3, 2. 1. Simon Commission, then Dandi March, then Roundtable Conference, then Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Question number 14. Find out the correct statement in the following. Hindus people worshipped Lord Indra. Hindu civilization was a rural civilization. Iron was unknown to the Indus people. D. The Great Bath was located at Harappa. So its correct answer is C. Iron was unknown to the Indus people. 15th question. Name the social reformer who supported Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy for the abolition of Devadasi system. A. E.V. Ramasamy Nayakar. B. T.M. Nair. C. C.N. Annadurai. D. Nadesa Mudaliyar. The correct answer is A. E.V. Ramasamy Nayakar. 16th question. Which one of the following European war was associated with the Third Carnatic War? A. The 7 Years' War. B. The War of Austrian Succession. C. The War of Roses. D. The Austro-Prussian War. The correct answer is A. The 7 Years' War. 17th question. Which of the following is incorrectly paired? A. Mirbakshi, military advisor. B. Mutashabib. Or Mutasib, censor of public morals. C. Kotwal, revenue collector. D. Kasi ul Gusat, judicial officer. The correct answer is C. Kotwal, revenue collector. 18th question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the answer using the codes given below. Kalibangan, Kalbab Kambe, Suraktoda, Madurai, Lothal, Rajasthan and Kiladi, Gujarat. So நமக்கு தெரியும் கீழடி எங்கே இருக்குன்னு தெரியும், கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். ஸோ the correct answer directly we can go B, that is 3, 4, 1, 2. So that is 3. Kalibangan, that's Rajasthan. Surkotoda, Gujarat. Lothal, Kalba Kambe and Kiladi, that's in Madurai. 19th question. India Home Rule Society was set up by A. Hardayal. B. Shyamiji Krishnavarma. C. Madanlal Dhingra. D. V.D. Savarkar. The correct choice is that's B. Shyamji Krishnavarma. 20th question. Arrange the following in chronological order. 1. Surat split. 2. Birth of Muslim League. 3. Partition of Bengal. 4. Reunion of Bengal. The choices are A. 4, 3, 1, 2. B. 3, 1, 2, 4. C. 3, 2, 1, 4. 4, 2, 3, 1, 4. The correct choice is C. That is 3, 2, 1, 4. That is partition of Bengal, birth of Muslim League, Surat split, then reunion of Bengal. 21st question. Which of the following is correctly matched? 1. Rajaji, pro changes. 2. Vanjanathan Robert William Ashe. 3. K. Kamaraj, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu in 1952. 4. Satyamurthy, Mayor of Madurai. The correct choice is B, that is Vanjanathan Robert William Ashe. 22nd question. Who was the chairperson of All India Socialist Conference held at Patna 1934? A. M.N. Roy. B. Acharya Narendra Dev. C. Sambhuranand. D. Sri Prakasa. Correct answer is B. Acharya Narendra Dev. 23rd question. In which year the widow remarriage was legally permitted? A. 1855. B. 1856. C. 1857. D. 1858. The correct answer is B. 1856. 24th question. Consider the following pairs. Quds Dispatch 1854, Hunter Commission 1882, University 1880, Varda's Scheme of Education 1904. Which of the pairs given is or correct? A. 1 and 4 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 2 and 3. The correct choice is C. 1 and 2. 25th question. Which of the following is incorrectly paired? A. Indian Mirror, T.N. Thakur, B. Vande Mataram, Madam Kame, C. Tribune, D.S. Majita, D. Bombay Herald, J.A. Hickey. The choices are A is correct, B, A and B are correct, C, B and C are correct, D alone is correct. The right choice is D alone is correct. Right? So thank you very much. So this question for this year 2017 it's finished. ஸோ நம்ம இன்னொரு குரூப் 1 கொஸ்டின்ஸில் ஹிஸ்ட்ரியில் இன்னொரு கொஸ்டினோட நம்ம வந்து அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்ப்போம். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்கள் போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.